agad. To be seen with our program, Mami Tara and our Vice Chairman, none other than Kuya Alvin for the opening ceremony, please.
Uy, sabi mo kay ni Bing, i-message mo si Bing, pagsaing ng isang kaldero lang. Kasi may marami pala yung tailors.
Thank you so much, Kuya Alvin. And now let's proceed with our awarding of the third placer awardee for the volleyball. Third placer award of goes to Kitty!
Pagsaing ng isang rice cooker.
The ladies with our manager, si Jerry, and the rest of the Quimby players.
Sinay na kasi ako doon.
Ate Kitty, come here na.
Saan ang picture nito?
Kasali ako.
May picture mo nga. Ay, hindi. Ina-edit ko na.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, Quimby. And that is the award. The second place awardee for the basketball. Second place awardee goes to
Yung rice cooker, te?
second place for basketball goes to Toyota team. Come on, they're coming again now. Miss Minis and Sir Julian to award the second place of the season basketball league. Congratulations!
Saan na yung laking taga-picture?
Ateneo is taking the picture for the committee. Thank you so much. Congratulations to our second placer. And now let's award the Mythical 6 for volleyball category. Who's the Mythical 6 this season, guys? To award also again, Miss Minis and Sir Julian to award the Mythical 6.
Disney Princess, tumayo! Ha?
Mythical 6 of 4 Quimby. Mythical 6 for Quimby is none other than Ate Gretchen. Mythical 6 for Basilis Hanover is none other than Key Pasqua. Rose Muski. Kipsko. Mythical 6 for the Phoenix. Mythical 6 for the Phoenix is none other than Miss Ronaline. Mythical 6 for the Hurricanes, none other than Donna Bell. From the Hurricanes, well again, part of May Di Castro, part of the Mythical 6. No, last but not the least, from Phoenix, Mythical 6, Ate Rose. Congratulations, the Mythical 6 for the season.
Wala. Umalis na? Oo, kasi talo eh. Ha? Dahil yung tagtalo, umalis na. Ano hindi siya sa
Congratulations, guys. Now, let's award the Mythical 5. Mythical 5 for the basketball to award again. It's Miss Melis and Sir Julian to award the Mythical 5 of the basketball category.
Ano kami?
Thank you so much, and now let's award the sportsmanship award for volleyball. Lionel, where's Lionel?
Wala kayang daan sa inyo ngayon?
Kuya Peter, please.
Wala.
Any representative?
Panalo yung baba mo. Ikaw ba? Dalawa.
For protocol.
Wala naman, laro lang naman. Binibigay nila yan.
Yan yun.
Kaya sabi nila, hindi na, pag-anuhan ka doon sa Cortes. Kasi dalawa yung ano mo.
Dalawang time.
Thank you so much. Now let's go to award the sportsmanship award for volleyball category. Volleyball category sportsmanship award goes to Annie Salsillo.
Siya pa lang.
Thank you so much.
Oy, libre daw lahat sa Biste! Lahat ng ano, punta sa Biste, libre! Halo-halo, libre! Magdala
Yes, I
kayo
have
ng
award. Now, for the basketball sportsmanship award goes to Don Rosales.
Dande. Rosales, protocol. Mayroon na kanina, di ba?
Now, let's award the second placer for the volleyball. Second placer for the volleyball, let me call on Basilis Hanover.
Lahat, ano? Lahat ba?
Basilis Hanover. Second placer.
Kaya tanggapin mo.
Hindi.
Second placer. Mga players, kayo na po ang second placer, Basilis Hanover.
Ibalik ka. Ibalik.
Second placer award, let's go.
Hoy, mga players ng Basiles!
Congratulations, Basilis
Hindi na kayo na
Hanover.
mama yun. Hindi na kayo dito.
Hindi pa mga tayo na hindi player.
Let me go on to award our
Nag-reply ba, Chen? Wala. Oh, nagpagtan.
Ayaw kitawad.
Hindi, pabantayan niya yung pagkain doon. Baka daw, katulad ng
special
nakaraan.
awardee.
Nakalahat na yung pagkain pagdating ko.
Best setter for volleyball category. Let me go on Darlene.
Apat, tayo.
Best setter. Mali. Best setter for basket volleyball. Yeah, best setter niya. Iset mo nga ang time ko. Para maaga ako mag-isip. Okay, best receiver from PP, Adi Atesa. Representative, Adi Kitty.
Oh.
Another special awardee.
Wala kang award?
Iron Player Award goes to Mr. Roberto Guevara from Toyota Team.
Wala akong award pala?
Sino ikaw?
Oo. Wala akong award. Hindi na ako punta next season. Wala akong award. Salamin ko sana.
Okay, one of our major awardees for the Finals MVP for the volleyball category. Finals MVP goes to Miss Donna.
Sabi nga si Dona.
Final MVP? Wala kasi si Juan.
Sino ba ano sa kanya?
Miss Donna, Finals
Ano, wala pala ano, Jute.
Siya ba yun? Siya ba yun?
Congratulations!
Asawa ko! Akin na lang yung sobre.
May premyo ba?
Finals MVP!
Thank you.
Finals MVP for basketball! Sino kaya ang finals MVP natin? Wala iba, kundi si Claire! Finals MVP total of 29 points! 29 points!
Parang sinasabi niya maliit ka. Picture!
Now,